I'm going to show you how to make $300 this week using nothing but your phone, no experience, no upfront money, and no scammy apps. This works for beginners, students, busy adults, and anyone who wants fast cash without quitting their job. Stay with me, because the third method is the fastest one. And before we start, know that one step in the right direction can change the rest of your life. Hi, my name is Jalen, and I would like to thank you for stopping by to build wealth with us. If you find value here, please help us by simply clicking the like and subscribe button. This will ensure that new videos will reach you by YouTube's algorithm. If you are looking to make fast money right now, companies are desperate for same-day delivery drivers. They need packages delivered, groceries delivered, retail items delivered. That demand means fast approval, flexible hours, and same-day or weekly pay. This is beginner-friendly and works even if you have bad credit. If you are looking for the top and high-demand apps for making money in 2026, well, here you go. Amazon Flex, great for delivering Amazon packages. Your own vehicle is required. Also, Roadie is a great choice. They deliver for Home Depot, Walmart, and luggages. GoShare has a high payout for delivering packages and furniture items. Curry, which focuses on construction and supply deliveries. Dispatch is a medical and business package delivery, which is great to earn extra income. Next, food and grocery deliveries are great ways to earn money fast because you could get paid daily. So consider Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart, Spark Driver for Walmart, and Shipt for Target and retail stores. Here's the simple strategy. Work peak hours. Early mornings and evenings pay the most. Accept short distance orders first to increase volume. Use instant pay when available so you do not wait for your money. 2 to 4 hours a day is enough to hit $300 in a week. Consistency beats long hours. Most beginners fail because they wait for the perfect gig. Do not wait. Take action. Another mistake is quitting too early. Your first day might be slow. Your second and third day will be better. Momentum matters. Another way to make quick extra money is offering a simple digital service to local businesses. Most small businesses are terrible at social media. They need help posting videos, responding to comments, or uploading content. You don't need to be an expert. All you do is message local businesses on Instagram or Google Maps and say, I help businesses post short videos to get more customers. I can do it for you for $50 this week. If just 6 businesses say yes, that's $300. You can use free apps like CapCut or Canva to do the work directly from your phone or laptop. You can work from home as well. The third way to make extra money is beginner freelancing from your phone. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to sell simple services like writing captions, basic logo edits, voice recordings, typing, and data entry. If you were to price your service at $30 to $50. Landing just one job per day would allow you to hit $300 by the end of the week. This works even if you have zero experience. This is the fastest method, reselling items locally using Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. Look for free or cheap items like chairs, small tables, electronics gym equipment, or even clothes that you have never worn, especially vintage pieces. Clean them up, take better photos, and relist them. Many people make $50 to $100 per flip. 3 flips equals your goal. You will be surprised how many people buy used items. Remember, you don't have to pick just one, combine all. That's how beginners win. Small wins stacked together beat one big idea. Your phone is already a money-making tool. You just haven't been shown how to use it. If you would like more detailed information and want to receive high-valued hacks and tools to help improve your gig search and making money with your phone, then sign up for my Patreon. Feel free to comment money, and I will send you a step-by-step checklist. Thank you for watching Modern Money with Jalen Brooks. If you would kindly take a second to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, I would gratefully appreciate it. This will allow the algorithm to show you more helpful videos. Until next time, one moment of effort becomes a lifetime of change.